Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy new update on Instagram that allows you to see the number of comments on your photos directly from your PC. If you've been wondering how to check this feature, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your photos and posts easily. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. It's a straightforward way to navigate to the content you want to check. Once you're on your profile, find the photo you want to check the comments for. Scroll through your feed until you spot the image of interest. This is where all the engagement happens, and now it's time to see how many comments it has received. Now comes the exciting part. Hover over the photo with your mouse cursor. As you do this, a small overlay will appear, showing various metrics related to that post. Among these metrics, you'll see the count of comments displayed prominently. This new feature makes it easier than ever to gauge how much interaction your post is getting without needing to click into each individual post. This update not only enhances user experience, but also encourages more interaction among users by making engagement metrics more visible. With just a few simple steps, you can now keep track of how many people are commenting on your posts right from your computer. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to see the number of comments on your Instagram photos using a PC. Whether you're a casual user or looking to boost your social media strategy, this feature is a great tool for understanding audience engagement better. Happy Instagramming!